In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email addresses to the Safe Senders list in Gmail. This is an important step if you want to ensure that important emails always land in your inbox, rather than getting trapped in the spam folder. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll be set up to receive all those crucial emails without any interruptions. So, let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you need to have your Gmail account open. Navigate to your inbox by entering your email and password if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're on a desktop computer or laptop because some features are not fully supported on mobile devices. Now that you're in your Gmail, take a look at the top right-hand corner and spot the gear icon, which is your settings button. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select See All Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with a variety of options. Don't worry, it may look a little overwhelming at first, but we're here to focus on just a few specific settings. With the settings open, you'll notice several tabs at the top. You're going to click on the one that says Filters and Blocked Addresses. This tab is where all the magic happens for managing your email filters. Scroll down a bit and you'll find an option that says Create a New Filter. Go ahead and click that button. Now, a new window will pop up, allowing you to specify the conditions for your filter. Since we want to make sure emails from a certain sender always make it to your inbox, you'll start by entering the email address you wish to mark as safe in the From field. This tells Gmail to always look out for emails from this address. After you've entered the email address, go down to the bottom right and hit Create Filter. Once you do that, another set of options will appear. Here, you'll need to check the box labeled Never Send It to Spam. This tells Gmail to always allow messages from this sender to pass through directly to your inbox without deterring to your spam folder. Finally, hit Create Filter again to save your settings. And that's it. You've now successfully added an email address to your Safe Senders list. Moving forward, any messages from this address will never be sent to spam, ensuring you receive them promptly. Let this process be a reminder of how simple tools within Gmail can enhance your email management, making sure you never miss out on vital communications. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail experience. Have a great day.